Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be walking through the streets of Little Saigon at this night market for their Lunar New Year festival. It is one of my favorite places to go to during the season because they have so many different food stands. Kimberly got this wonton soup, which she said was really good, and of course we had to get some barbecue pork skewers. The next thing we had to try were these squid legs, and you have to eat it with the green sauce because that's really what makes it. I also wanted to try some of these soy tacos. The white outer shell had a styrofoam texture. I don't really know how else to explain it, but it was still really good to me, and there was some shredded coconut. I also wish I could be vibing on this lady's level. She is just thriving. One of my favorite things to do here, honestly, is just watch everybody dance and just listening to people karaoke. We also decided to hit up this coconut waffle stand and try pennywort juice, which their drinks were super refreshing, and they also had samples in the front. But I really enjoyed this drink that I got. Wintermelon tea with chia seed and pandan jelly. Kimberly seems to like it as well.
Are you an influencer? How's your waffle? Okay.
And then I proceeded to waste $5 at this claw machine, which I kind of regret. It was just ripping me off.
Oh my. Yeah, why did you get food with this? Whatever, you didn't want me to play this. I like watching you play the claw machine. I don't like playing it. How many tries? This is the last try.
The next day, I went to go eat some steamed chicken and rice with ginger fish sauce. Also, some pho noodles. I honestly love going here because the soup that they give you with the meal is so refreshing. This is really embarrassing to show you guys. My place looks like an absolute mess. I'm gonna be handing it over to present day me to just explain what is going on here.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I have been procrastinating cleaning my place, and she looks very rough right now. I'm gonna have you guys hold me accountable, and we're gonna declutter and organize this place because it has been way too long since I have, and it's making my mind jumbled. We are here in the kitchen. We're gonna start off here. Gonna tackle the drawers first. I'm just gonna focus on reorganizing before I wipe down the counters and everything. Let's get started. I have my utensil drawer that I have to go through because I just have a lot of things cluttered right here. Gotta fix this freaking situation. Ever since I got my KitchenAid, I have just been going a little bit crazy. I can utilize this space a little bit more because just my toaster and blender is in here. I feel like I can make this look a little bit nicer, to be honest. The big boy in here is where I keep all of my freaking spices and my Tupperware. Let's go through that stuff. Let's just time lapse this. It's hard being a minimalist, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna try my best. I just have a lot of stuff in here. Finished organizing these drawers. I did get rid of some stuff. This drawer does look the same. I'm working with limited space. This is what I could do, and I just have to work with it. Down here, I just decided to put my KitchenAid mixing, like whisk and stuff like that in here, and some of my juicing stuff that used to be in the drawer above. I also have a little pile of things that I am going to donate or throw away. I know there are some things in here that I want to get rid of. I'm just gonna reorganize, look at expiration dates for things. Let's do it. I got this sea salt from Hawaii 3 years ago, and I don't really know if salt expires. I'm gonna get rid of it because I never use it. Looks better than before. I'll take that over not touching it at all. So we're gonna be done with this. This is okay for now because I have some Tupperware that I need to put away. I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed, not gonna lie, because I just don't know how long it's gonna take me to do everything. I literally have not opened this yet. It doesn't expire until June. I should probably start eating this. I have random cravings for oatmeal, and then after a couple of days, I get over it. Also about this gingerbread mix I was supposed to make for Christmas, and I never made it. It expires in July though, so I guess we're gonna have a Christmas in the summer this year. I know it looks like I'm just stuffing things everywhere. I don't have an excuse. I keep my sugar in the other drawer, so I think I'm gonna move my baking stuff in there too. so much coconut milk. Well, this is coconut juice, but I also have this can of coconut milk. I literally never use it in my cooking. Somebody's gotta stop me. I think I'm gonna put my chips up there too. Put my chips up here. Funyuns. Some pretzels. I'm also gonna put my dried chilies in there from Nook's Kitchen. It's not aesthetic, but it's practical. Now I have this old mess that I have to move into the other drawer with all my bacon stuff. I'm not gonna touch this. It's mainly medicine. Next thing I want to focus on is the fridge. She's just looking like she's been through things. These are macaron shells that I made last week. I was sad because it didn't turn out like how I wanted it to. I've also been savoring this cranberry fizz poppy ever since I bought them during my Vlogmas week video. I think it's time for me to start drinking them. I don't crave it as much as I thought I would. I have 5 cans left. My camera is dying. I did not expect my kitchen to take this long, to be honest. I think I'm gonna just time lapse everything instead of talking. This is just taking longer than I thought. I'm actually very slow. Hello friends, it is the next day, which is why I look a little bit crazy. I did clean a little bit off camera. This room is what I was dreading the most because this is where I open all my blind box. If you guys have been watching my YouTube shorts, I just want to take a little break and put together some Valentine's Day gift bags for my friends. I'm gonna be reusing some of these bags. My friend actually gave me this bag for my birthday. I'm gonna use it for my other friend, and then I'm gonna use this Pop Mart bag for my friend that gave me this bag. Reduce, reuse, recycle. First thing, I went to Little Tokyo yesterday, and in the shop Monkey Pants, I saw these SANRIO Valentine's Day themed plushies. It was so cute. They had Hello Kitty, Pachaco, there was a pom-pom there, but I didn't like that he wasn't pastel, so I didn't get him. And there was a cinema roll one. These guys were really freaking expensive though. They were $34 and they're super tiny. But I just had to get them because one of my friends likes Hello Kitty and the other friend really likes Pachaco. So I'm gonna put this in their Valentine's Day gift bags. I'm just gonna take off the price tag, even though they're probably gonna end up watching this video. I kind of wish I got one for myself. I'm gonna put Pachaco in here. These are so cute. I kind of regret not buying one for myself. And we're gonna put Hello Kitty in here. Then I got some other goodies. A bag of chips. Hello Panda, because they were pink. Peach gummies and lychee gummies. And I also got some drinks because I know my friend has been drinking tea. This is white peach black tea, lychee oolong tea. I haven't tried these before. They looked really good. Got these very cute Sanrio fancy zip bags. And then lastly, I got some Pocky. This is what it looks like. It's not the cutest, but it's practical. And I also just wanted to go to Trader Joe's and get some bouquets of flowers. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. And then also watch my shorts. I'm posting shorts every 2 days of me opening blind boxes. I also need to really clean the rest of this place. I am just embarrassed to show you guys like how bad it has gotten. Like I showed you guys a clip of that little corner right there, and that is not the whole room. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. I also hit 100 subscribers, which is very exciting for me because I have never hit that milestone in my life. I am just very grateful for everybody that has been watching my videos every week. I really appreciate you guys so much, especially my friends that are always supporting me. I'm just really excited to see what this year has in store for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Please also watch my shorts if you want to see more of my blind box stuff. I am cursed with my melody. It's literally making me so discouraged to buy any more blind boxes because I don't want her. I want Pom Pom, but I keep getting her. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.